I'm in Munnar and I'm going towards my new destination, which is Photo Point. I have heard that the journey from Rose Garden to Photo Point is quite spectacular. So in this video I will take you to Photo Point through some beautiful roads and will show you the scenic beauty of Photo Point. So stay with me till the end. Photo Point is a famous sightseeing and picnic spot. The route up to the spot is quite spectacular as well and makes the entire journey worth it. Road lined up with tea gardens on both sides. The entire landscape is carpeted with fragrant tea leaves, which are not only a visual treat but an olfactory experience as well. Photo Point is situated at a distance of 3 kilometers from Munnar on the way to Metupetti. Any hired car will take you here, or if you are not aware of its existence, any driver would definitely stop here and urge you to visit the place. The beauty of this place lies in its simplicity, and therefore it is a famous filming destination. If you are a passionate photographer, you should head to this location. Green tea plantation and silver oak trees attracts the eyes of the photographer, and also it is an ideal place to capture the green woods, green hills and more. So when in Munnar, make sure that you do not miss this stunning beauty. If you do not have your own camera, there are professional photographers around to do it for you. With a small amount of 30 to 40, they will develop the print for you almost immediately. They even have gears with them to dress you up as one of the local tea workers. Photo Point is also known as Shooting Point. Many people choose not to stop in this location because there is not much to see here. But once you get off the car and take a look around, the gorgeous surrounding will take you in like their own. Sprinkled with gently rolling hills, babbling brooks, well-rolled lush green tea gardens, green woods, and glistening silver oaks makes it the ideal place to experience the charm of the indigenous vegetation of the region. The turquoise sky against the emerald tea garden is a breathtaking sight. The tea garden are owned by Kannan Devan Hills Plantation Limited, owned by Tata Tea Group, and it is a private property. Being located in a heavy rainfall area, the photo point also has an atmospheric charm to it. Take a relaxing walk to explore the surrounding, or visit one of the nearby shops and look for local tea and spices. Tea, coffee, spices, cloves, cardamom, pepper, and homemade chocolates are a few things one can buy near the photo point. Every nature lover will wish to come here at least once in their life. Those who want to visit Munnar but have some doubts or questions in their mind, so for them I have made a special FAQ video with all travel guide safety tips and information, and the link is in the description. To explore more with me, do subscribe to my channel AB Tours, Travels and Tourism. We will meet in the next episode. Till then, have a great day and God bless you.